Has Bull Run 2025 started? Well, check out this video to find out more. And hello guys, and welcome back to this channel guys, where guys today we will be talking about has the bull run of 2025 already started. So guys, before this video starts, I just want to tell you that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. So here are guys on, of course, CoinDXC. So when will the crypto market bull run begin in 2025? Has it already started? So as you can see, you can go and check out this whole article, of course, by itself, but let's see what they have to say. So as you can see, will 2025 see the start of the new crypto market bull run? So the outlook for the cryptocurrency market in 2025 is increasingly optimistic as we start May 2025 with a strong foundation being laid for what many believe could be the next major bull run. So we have the foundations guys for the next bull run. Bitcoin has already made the headlines this year by surging past its previous all-time high, touching over $105K US before stabilizing around 94.5. This impressive climb has regained investor enthusiasm and sparked fresh predictions from industry experts. So as you can see guys, the Bitcoin has of course has a very good price. As you can see, as you already saw probably, these days it has of course again exploded. So the bull run is maybe happening. We have of course the good foundation for it to of course happen. And what to expect from Bitcoin and crypto market bull run in 2025? Well, Bitcoin falls below 80K after CPI data and traffic pauses news. So Bitcoin has dropped on Tuesday, slippage below 80K mark, of course, but it has of course risen to of course now about 100K US dollars at the moment. So of course here we can see some of the news. So watch the Bitcoin price levels as cryptocurrency reclaims 100K level. So you can also check out this on Investorpedia. So as you can see, you have a good article here. So you have record high in sight. So basically some of them are talking about, of course, we have it as the record high was 109K. So it is in the sight for the, of course, next record. Here, as you can see, why Bitcoin price is rising today. You can check it out on that's crypto.co. So you can check it out there. So Bitcoin surged past 103K as traders bet on Fed rate cuts, welcome sign of institutional inflows, and reached to easing trade tensions. So in brief, as you can see, you have it in brief here, this article, and you can go and check it out, of course, to see why actually, as you can see, Bitcoin price is rising actually today. So in brief, as you can see, CME Fed Watch data shows a 70% chance of July rate cut with 90% odds of easing by October as markets aren't run the Fed despite no move this week. Ethereum railed 20% as altcoins broadly outperformed while Bitcoin reached the 100K milestone, triggering fresh upside, of course, positioning. So now let's see some, of course, something about Solana, Ethereum, and of course Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap. So as you can see, Solana is on 170.81 US dollars. You can go and check out the chart here. As you can see, you have the whole Solana chart and how it is also rising. As you can see, we have it here by date. So basically it has risen down, but it fell a bit. But it is of course much better than it was of course yesterday in, of course, as you can see, 6 p.m. So it is also rising. You can check out everything on, of course, here on CoinMarketCap. We have the Bitcoin, of course, which we talked about largely now. So as you can see, you can go and check out Bitcoin 102.9, almost 103K and this moment and the time of making this video. So basically, will it get the record high of 109? Let's see. Probably it, in my opinion, will. You can check out the chart of Bitcoin also. Here, as you can see, we have Ethereum also. So Ethereum, just a second, for the page to, of course, load. So as you can see, Ethereum is 2.3K. You can, of course, go and check it out also. So we have it loading now. The chart is here. As you can see, it has risen today to, of course, 2.44K, but it has fallen about to 2.3K. So it is also in good shape. So Ethereum is also in good shape. And here we have, as you can see, on cryptotimes.io. So Solana still lacks convincing signs to beat Ethereum. So let's talk something more about altcoins. So as you see here, we have the top altcoins. So Ethereum on the first place, as you know, Tether USD is, as you can see, second. We have on the third place, it's EXRP. We have BNB on fourth, Solana on fifth place. You can, of course, check them out at the moment, of course, how they are rising, of course. So as you can see, Ethereum is plus 12.37%. We have in the last 24 hours, of course. We can go and change this, of course, however we want. So we can go it, as you can see, like this. You can click it as much time here as you want to, of course, get it to how, of course, you would, of course, want it. So this is in the last 24 hours. So here we have some other altcoins, of course, also, which you can check out. For instance, we have Mu, Dank, Nero, and all those which we already talked about earlier in some of the videos. So as you can see, you have seen that the percentages, how much they've risen in the last, as you can see, 24 hours. And here you can check our market cap and the price that is at the moment. But let's see this article here. So Solana still lacks convincing signs to beat Ethereum. So despite Solana recently taking the lead in layer 1 free generation, Ethereum still brings in 2.5 times more in overall blockchain revenue, according to Signum. So as you can see, Signum, a Swiss crypto bank, believes Solana still has a lot of ground to recover before it can stand toe-to-toe with Ethereum, particularly when it comes to winning over traditional financial institutions. So in the blog post here, dated May 8th, the bank pointed out to, despite Solana's recent buzz around rising transactions and network fees, it still falls shortly of key qualities institutional players typically look for. The biggest concern, Solana's revenue are too closely tied to meme coins, a market segment known for its volatility and short-term hype. So that is some more article. You can go and read the whole article, of course, if you're interested. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.